Hello, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how you can hide the announcement bar from the mobile view on Squarespace. Over at Squarespace, what we want to delete is this announcement bar right here from the mobile view. So the first and obvious thing that we can do is, of course, disable the actual announcement bar. And how we do that is click onto the website tools and then click on the announcement bar and disable it. But this video is essentially for you that want to have it on the web view, but not on the mobile view. And in order to do that, we need to add some custom code. So let's hop on over to the custom.css, which is in the website tools on the Squarespace menu. So let's navigate into here, and down in the description, there's some code that you need to copy and paste right here. So let's do that. As you can see, the announcement bar for the mobile view just got hidden. And when we click to see the desktop view, it is still there. That was just a very quick tutorial on how you can hide the announcement bar from the mobile view on Squarespace. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.